हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द चैनल। आई होप आप सबने प्रीवियस वीडियो देख लिया होगा। नहीं देखा तो पहले जाके वो देख लीजिएगा। आज हम लोग माइनिंग का छोटा सा एक टॉपिक है वो इस लेक्चर में कवर करेंगे। सो व्हाट इज माइनिंग? What is mining? So mining is nothing but the extraction of the valuable minerals of, or we can say the other geological materials from earth. Usually an ore body, lode, vein, seam, reef, placer deposit. Okay, this all is called the minerals, and as you can extract from the earth, you can say it is mining. Okay, so as you can see here, mining is extraction of valuable minerals or other geological material. Okay? The exploitation of this deposit of for raw material is based on the economical viability of investing in the equipment, labor, and energy required to extract, refine, and transport the material found at the mine to manufacture who can use that material. Okay? Ores can be recovered by mining, which is includes the metal, coal, oil, gemstone, limestone, chalk, dimension stone, other you can say rock salt, okay, potash. Okay, these are the ores which you can recover from the mining. Okay, mining is required to obtain the most material that cannot be grown through the agricultural process or feasibly created artificially in the laboratory or factory. Mining is a wider sense that includes the extraction of any non-renewable source such as a petroleum, natural gas, or even a water. Okay, modern mining process involve the prospecting for ore bodies, analysis of the profit potential of a process mine, extraction of the desired material, and the final reclamation or restoration of the land after the mine is closed. Okay. Mining operation can create a negative environment impact both during the mining activity and the after the mine has closed. So, what is mining? As I can understand, or as I can give you some information, this is all about the mining. Okay. So, in India, there will be three categories of mining. Okay, there will be categories of mining in India. Three categories broadly we can categorize these mining categories into three categories for India. Okay, for India, first one is underground mining. Okay, this is as you can see here on the screen, this is underground mining. Okay, another is open cast mining. As you can see in the second picture, this is the open cast mining. And the third one is surface mining. Okay, as you can see here in the third picture, this is surface mining. While the first two categories represent accident occurring inside the two types of mines respectively, the third category represent the mining related accident occurring above the surface in the vicinity of either type of mine. Okay, so these are the three broad categories which you can see in the India. Now, what is the important causes of accident in mining? So first one is roof, or we can say side fall. Okay, what is roof and what is a side fall? Accidental fall of or we can say side at the time of excavation. This is the roof or side fall. What is haulage? What is haulage? Accident in the course of rising, or we can say lowering coal by the tube is called the haulage. This is also a cause for accident in mining. Dumper. Okay. Accident in a dumper. means wheeled vehicle. Dumper, as you know, what is dumper? The wheeled vehicle for carrying coal with the typer mechanism. Okay, when it is fault, okay, it is also the cause of accident in a mining. Another is conveyor. Accident in the user of belt or chain conveyors is also the causes for accident in the mining. Transport machinery. Next one is transport machinery. So accidents associated with trucks and wagons is cause for the accident. Another is explosive. So accident in the course of using explosives. Another is electricity. So accident resulting out of use of electricity. Next one is dust or gas. So accident due to explosion of noxious gases due to the explosion of coal dust. Okay, this is the important, as you can see, as you know, dust or gas is important cause for accident of mining. Next one is indention. So accident due to sudden rushing of the water is called inundation. Okay, then fall of object or fall of person. So accident occurring due to a sudden fall of an object or a person. So these are the important causes which is which is responsible for accident in the mining purpose. Okay. Now to reduce this kind of accident, we have to use some technologies. Okay. So next one is use of technology to reduce the accidents in mining. So what are the technologies? First one is design of a system for support of roof in the development working in the underground mines by the scientific support system based on the rock mass rating studies. This technology currently we can use for reduce the accident. Another is increase use of roof bolting, or we can say the roof stitching method for support using the steel roof bolts or steel wire ropes. Okay. Another technology is introduction of modern drills like a mechanized drilling machine to avoid exposure of support personnel to unsupported roof. Okay. Another is reduce exposure of worker to mining hazard by mechanization of loading operations by the increase of this SDLs and LHDs in the below ground mines, powered support long wall system, okay, long wall system of mining, continuous mining technology, etc., are being progressively adopted in the suitable areas. This is also a technology which we can use to reduce accidents in a mining. And the last one is introduction of surface miner and eco-friendly technology to reduce hazardous operation like the drilling, blasting, and crushing whenever is applicable. Okay, so this is all about the mining. This topic is very short, and so this video can be cover up to, I think so, 10 to 15 minutes enough. Okay, so this is all about the mining. Now in the next lecture we can start the hydrometeorological disasters. Okay, so till then please share the video, press the bell icon, sorry, press the like button, okay, and subscribe my channel. Jai Hind.